Good morning, good morning, good morning to you, honey.
Good morning, honey.
Today is a special day, right?
Yes, it is.
What it is today? You want to tell them?
It's our 20th year anniversary.
Beautiful. It's been a journey.
It has been.
And we're heading out for breakfast. Just wanted to share with you guys. Celebrating 20 years together. It's been a beautiful 20 years, and we just want to give God thanks for life and
Amen.
for our friends and for our families. And life is the greatest. Celebrating life and giving thanks for 20 years of marriage. To celebrate our 20th anniversary, we went to First Watch. Beautiful little restaurant. They're open for breakfast and brunch. And we just went in. It's a beautiful ambiance, warm and friendly environment. The staff there are really nice. They serve a lot of organic food and natural stuff, natural juice. So we got seated and just reviewed the menu. They have a whole wide list of options there on their menu. We started off with some coffee, and my wife had green drinks. I think it's made from kale, lemon, and some other stuff. I'm not really fond of it, but my wife really enjoys it, and that's all that matters. So for breakfast, my wife had the egg white omelet loaded with all type of vegetables, mushrooms, bell peppers, spinach, with potatoes on the side. And then she also had this blueberry pancake. This was fire. My omelet was loaded with chicken, bell peppers, jalapenos. And I had that with some cheesy grits and some toast. Everything was good. You know, spend the morning together and just sit and reflect on our last 20 years and where we've been and where we are right now. And we just want to give God thanks and praise for His divine protection over our lives. These cheese grits were good. Absolutely on the money. That pancake, really good as well. So just want to keep you guys in the loop. Hope you guys enjoy the video. And they served us this complimentary blueberry muffin, which I thought was really nice. It really kind of adds to the event or celebration, and it really meant a lot to us. We really appreciate the service of First Watch. So it was a great morning overall. The day has been good, and we're just thankful and grateful for 20 years of marriage and friends and for family. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.